Alright guys, what to do? It's your boy X coming to you guys with another video. And in today's video, we're going to talk about AMC. Why? Because I am a holder of AMC. I have been holding my AMC for quite some time now. I do have a decent amount of shares. And I just want to weigh in on APE. Because there's so much controversy going around with APE. It's going to get diluted. It's not going to get diluted. No, Adam Aaron's just using AMC to distribute more shares so he can take back ownership. It's a lot being said as an investor in AMC. I feel I can just kind of throw my little opinion out there as what's going to happen on Monday with APE shares. If you don't know what APE shares are, APE shares is a new, pretty much a new equity token stock type style that's going to be released on Monday for those who are holding AMC. It's going to be a dividend, actually a stock split, but instead of getting more AMC, you would get APE. That's pretty much what's happening. Now, a lot of people are wondering like, oh, well, am I going to get it? When I'm going to get it? How much I'm going to get? What the price is? We really don't know what the price is. They said it's supposed to be half the value of AMC. Friday, we closed at 1802. So we really don't know what they claiming half. So if you do half of 1802, we'll be around what $9, up in that ballpark range. We have to wait till Monday to see. Do I believe in APE and AMC? Like, is the squeeze still a play? Me personally, I do think so. I know a lot of people don't agree with Adam, but no. I mean, he kind of been like true to his word so far, so I'm not knocking the guy. Was I expecting APE? No. Do I really care for APE? If it makes me money, it makes me money. I mean, me personally. So pretty much this APE dividend stock split is going to it's already been counted. What's going to happen is it's like 518 million shares of AMC allegedly in existence. Adam produce literally a crap ton of these shares, APE, but he's only going to release on the market the same amount of AMC shares that's supposed to be in existence. Now, there are more APE shares out there, but as of right now, he's only releasing 518 million, which is equivalent to how many AMC shares should be on the market. That will be released on Monday. Now, he do have more shares, but he said that's for future dilution. And he came out with a statement on Twitter. I'll pull it up for you guys right now. He said they don't plan on diluting the stock in 2022 or 2023. So if he keep his word, which he has been doing, to give the man his credit, we shouldn't have to worry about stock dilution until 2024. But as you guys can see, if you're an AMC follower, anything could happen. Who knows what can happen within the next coming month, because things are getting too spicy for the pepper.
Looks like things are getting too spicy for the pepper.
But in this video, I want to go over with you guys my thoughts on APE, AMC, is the squeeze still a play, what I sell, what's going on. So let's get into today's video. Alright guys, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to my video. If you're only here because you're interested in what I have to say about APE, appreciate you clicking. At least give your boy a like. Now, I am an AMC APE. I have been holding AMC for quite some time. I have well over 1,000 shares, and I do believe in the cause. I have no intent on selling. At this point, I really don't open my Fidelity account at all. Not until I get like a notification that it's like above like X amount, then I may actually open. Other than that, I mean, we just here, people. We've been holding, like, no point of like stressing out about it. But Monday is a very crucial day for us. It really, really is. And I think there is a chance, like a true chance, something could happen next week, and most definitely the weeks following in, especially with this dividend stock split that is happening, right? I'm most definitely looking to make sure I get my shares. I will be actually waking up quite early to make sure I get those. I need to see those in my account. hopefully in pre-market. If not, that is going to be a very long wait time on that phone with Fidelity. But we go get Fidelity. They know, they just do. We're going to have faith that they know that they don't screw me over. But don't want to be on the phone with them, truthfully. But Monday, very interested in getting up APE shares, and I'm very interested in APE in general. Why? Because it doesn't have options. Now, I am not a stock expert. No, I'm not an ologist. I'm none of that. I'm just a guy who understands what's going on, believe in the cause, and I invest my money. I think AMC, even outside of the general squeeze, I think AMC should be anywhere between $25 and $40 a share. Is a solid company. We have money. They're killing debt. They're doing things right, and I think they could be in that ballpark range as far as stock value. And like I said, I've been holding for a while, so regardless of what it is, I think it's worthy of to hold. But far as APE is what I'm mainly concerned with. Monday morning, APE, what do I think is going to happen? I think APE has a very high chance of actually gaining in price. And by gaining price, I mean, I think it can actually start to outpace AMC. Why do I believe that? There are no options on it. There are no options on APE. What are they using to short AMC? What have they been doing to us? Options, like using options against us. Send them off to the dark side. Bring them back to the dark side. Every end of day, and we get a large spike up and down simultaneously. Like all this is happening due to what they're doing with option chain. But with APE, that would not be the case. And since there should only be 518 million APE, 518 million allegedly shares of AMC, technically, let me tell it, come Monday morning, all shares should get issued, which means if there's no option, supply and demand should take over, and there would be no supply. At that point, you should have just demand. So I'm very curious to see how much extra shares they're going to throw out there for people to actually acquire, because at that Monday morning when they get listed, technically, I mean, if he only released 518 million, there should be no shares to even attempt to buy, which means APE itself should start to rise in price just based off pure supply and demand, and all the shares are already taken. The second all the shares hit the actual market open, all of them are already assigned, so there will be no shares, which means I think APE should start to outpace AMC. Now, will that actually happen? We don't know. That's why Monday is going to be very, very interesting. So what would I do if I was you guys? I would be up early. Yes, it sucks to be up early, but we need to be up early. People need to be talking, genuinely talking, not just posting memes, not just posting. We need to actually talk. I would love, me personally, for these people to do a space call early that morning. I know that's kind of extra, but that'll be a way for people to really join in. Maybe a very early space call so people can just hear what's going on, relay, talk, because Monday is going to be a very crucial day for anybody who's actually holding AMC. Now, do I plan on selling APE if APE actually takes off? I know that's what a lot of people are wondering. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. I am only in AMC because of the potential squeeze. Now, initially I was in the yes to fight the cause, but if you're anything like me and you've been holding for this long, fighting the cause is a very, very, very hard thing to do. The stuff that we've seen throughout the course of this last year and a half, I just don't understand how somebody hasn't went to jail. And at this point, you're not here, you just know people with money have power. Ken Griffin is, and other hedge funders too, they got power. They are some very mysterious individuals. The stuff that they can do and get away with, ridiculous. I don't know, it just gave me a new perspective on people with high profile money. We are fighting a good fight. I think we do have a high chance of winning, but man, when they do some of the stuff they do and get away with it, it hits you here and it makes you question why you really trying sometimes. But I'm not even going to like remotely lie. If 8 actually start gaining ground, I won't sell. But if 8 get up like above $600-700, yeah, like I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm just keeping the buck. There is a high chance I can sell. Like with how many shares I'm holding, that's a significant amount of money. Like a significant enough that will literally change my life. So that is what I'm actually afraid of with 8, because if it gets that high or it starts to actually grow, I can't be the only person thinking. I'm pretty sure people will start selling, and that would just pretty much get them back control. Like Adam, just give the CEOs and people like that more control of 8, in which return would actually get them control of AMC. So me personally, I think if 8 start to go and people start to sell, it's gonna really hurt AMC in the long run, because 8 is technically AMC, and we already know Ape has 1 billion shares out there. He's just ready to use if and when he chooses. So if we start to sell 8, I'm more than likely, if 8 get up there and then people really start selling and I sell, more likely I will sell out of my AMC. Not even gonna lie, I'll take that hit loss, maybe like a couple thousand, but yeah, I will, because at that point, I mean, I feel like if they take 8, we sell, I feel like this is going to get so much control over AMC, it's not even going to be funny. But if people actually hold, I'll hold. Like, I want that to be known. Like, if they're actually willing to hold, I will hold. And that's why I really say we need a space call. Monday morning or Tuesday morning, however you guys want to do it. But Sunday, a space call needs to happen so people can really, toss together ideas and see where people's brain are. Because I really feel if we lose the momentum of 8, if it starts to go, you're going to lose the momentum of the whole entire play. So that's just my 2 cents. I would really love to know what you guys think. How you going to play it? Like, is there a way we can get a space call going? Are you going to hold AMC if 8 pop off and you're able to actually sell and get a good profit? Let me know in the description. Would love to hear for it. But it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.